Hello coloring friend, Rene here. In this quick video I will show you how to use Gumroad to sell the coloring pages you just bought. So you want to create an account at gumroad.com. It's free to use, pretty simple and straightforward. And then you need to go to products and create a new product. You will find the button on the top right. You click on this and from here you give it a name. Let's say Halloween coloring pages. Let's do 100 Halloween coloring pages, SVG and PNG, 300 DPI files. And then you have different options here. Of course, we will sell a digital product, but you also can create courses, tutorials, ebooks, physical goods, bundles and membership sites. So let's start with the digital product. You simply click on this and then you want to give it a price. I will use $1 and let's use 7 for the price. And then you go to the top right next customize. And from here you want to give it a name, your landing page, 100 Halloween coloring pages for adults. And then you want to describe the product. You can use a ChatGPT or use your own text. It's up to you. You can add links. For instance, if you want to give them 10 for free, you can add a 10 free image preview here. Just create another product and you give it away for free, no problem. You can add images, of course, that's important. If you sell coloring pages, you want to give them an idea what they will buy. And then we need 2 images. We need our banner image, which is HD or full HD, and a thumbnail at least 600 by 600. I use full HD as well, 1080 by 1080. And then the product info, I want this, buy this, pay. I keep it as standard. I want this. And then you can add a summary if you want to, and details. Details I definitely recommend to add details to your product. For instance, JPEG files, PNG files, SVG files, and whatever details you want to mention so people have an idea why they should buy your product. You also can open the opportunity customers to pay what they want. In this case, I don't want to do this. You can offer variations of the product, which is pretty cool. You can create a product with commercial rights, and then you create a product with private label rights, and then a product with master private label rights. You also can make upsells. This is from here, check out. We will check this in another video. And you have some settings here. You can limit product sales. So this is interesting when you want to have only 20 licenses to sell. It's up to you. All right. This stuff you need to complete. And once you have completed everything, we check the next step. So I will pause the video and add a text and other details. Just a second. Okay, so I've added everything here. The name of the product description, and a text. with the benefits here, and then I made the cover and the thumbnail. I add this summary: 100 quality, high quality Halloween themed coloring pages, additional details, standard private label rights, SVG files included, PNG, JPEG 300 DPI ready to print. And that's everything we need for this. We can preview our sales letter and we can open this in a new tab if you want to. So I'm ready to go, and click on Save and Continue on the top right. From here, we need to add the membership details. So once someone has bought the product, he will go here and he needs to become the possibility to download his purchase, of course. And this is something you want to take very seriously, because you can add more details, you can engage with your customers, add some more products if you want to, or simply write a thank you page, thank you for your purchase. Here are the files, and here is a training video. You can insert files, and also you can insert different other stuff, buttons, and of course you can embed YouTube videos. At this time only YouTube works. I hope that they will add some more possibilities so we can use self-hosted videos here. Anyway, this is your thank you page and the delivery page. So I will add the details here now and pause the video. Okay, here is the thank you membership page. Thank you for your purchase. You can add an image from you, of course. Your tattoo Halloween coloring pages are ready for download. Some text, some advices. And I will add the download link here. Again, I use the hosting from Gumroad, so I need to repackage from the sale. It's just to showcase. For now, I won't open this publicity. I don't want to publish. I just click on save pages, save changes now, because it's your turn to do this, not my turn to do this. But that's all you need to do to create your Gumroad sales page. Okay, so I click on save changes. Again, I keep it unpublished for now and want to show you one more detail you can use. You can go to a checkout. And from a checkout, you can add upsells. So again, what you need to do is just to create one or two more products. Again, you can sell the first with commercial rights, the second with private label rights, the third with master private label rights, or double the package or triple the package, whatever you want to do. You just click here, new upsell, and then you can choose. You create the upsell, of course. You choose your product from the list and you connect your upsell product with your front-end product. It's pretty easy. And again, I will add some more trainings very soon. All right. And you also can create discounts. That's cool, because sometimes you want to give some discounts, or for instance, you give someone free access in exchange for a testimonial. You can do this, and you also can change the checkout form and adjust the checkout form to your desire. Yes. That's it for this video. So in 10 minutes, I created a Gumroad product, membership site, the sales letter, and the thank you page and the membership inside. I used ChatGPT for all the texts. Of course, you can create your own text if you want to. And then let's start make some money. So thank you very much for watching, and I will add some more videos very soon. See you. Bye for now.